Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about chapter 5, that is data handling. So today's topic is frequency distribution table. First, I am explaining what is data. A set of numerical facts collected with a definite object is called data. Suppose this example. In this example, heights in centimeter of 28 girls are given below. So these values are set of data. So when the data are arranged in ascending or descending order, it is called arrayed data. ARRAYED, arrayed data. Or if when the data are recorded in original form like this, it is called raw data. यही raw data को अगर हम ascending या descending order में arrange करते हैं, it is called arrayed data. Now, in this chapter, today, I am going to explain how to arrange this data in tabular form. So tabular form में कैसे arrange करेंगे? And this arrangement of tabular form is known as frequency distribution table. So we can say that a tabular arrangement of data showing the frequency of each number is called frequency distribution table. Now what is frequency? हर एक डेटा के अगेंस्ट नंबर ऑफ आइटम कितने हैं, like this, these are heights of 28 girls. So 140 सेंटीमीटर ये हाइट कितने गर्ल्स की है, तो दैट नंबर इज नोन एज फ्रीक्वेंसी. देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेबल. फर्स्ट, व्हेन द डेटाज आर अनग्रुप्ड. सेकेंड, व्हेन द डेटाज आर ग्रुप्ड. सो फर्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन frequency distribution table for ungrouped data. I am taking one example. This is question number 5 of exercise 5.1. There are 28 values, heights of 28 girls. We are going to prepare a frequency distribution table for the above data. So in a frequency distribution table, first make a table which has 3 columns. First make a table which has 3 columns. Here we are making a table. So in the second column and third column, इसका heading same होगा for all the question. The second column is tally marks and the third column, that is frequency. First column का heading, it depends on the question. So here the question is heights in centimeter. So the heading of the first column is heights in centimeter. Now look at the number. What is the minimum number here? We can see that the minimum number is 38. And what is the maximum number here? We can say this is 160. Now you have two choice. Either you can arrange all the numbers in ascending or descending order or leave it. अगर नंबर बहुत ज़्यादा है तो ascending descending order में फिर से करने के लिए आपका टाइम वेस्ट होगा. So you can leave it. So I am writing all the numbers from 138 to 160 according to in ascending order. So 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143 and so on. यहाँ पर कुछ नंबर्स जो नहीं हैं, तो अगर आप चाहो उस नंबर्स को ओमिट कर सकते हो. जैसे 141 इन वैल्यूज में कहीं पर नहीं है, तो अगर आप चाहो तो ये 141 को ना भी लिखो तो भी होगा. सो फर्स्ट वी आर राइटिंग ऑल द नंबर्स. अब यहाँ पर हर नंबर के अगेंस्ट मुझे एक लाइन खींचनी है जिसको हम टैली मार्क्स कहेंगे. आफ्टर दैट काउंटिंग द टैली मार्क्स एंड राइट डाउन द फ्रीक्वेंसी. तो इंडिविजुअली अगर हम इस तरह देखेंगे तो देयर मे बी सम मिस्टेक्स. कोई नंबर हम दोबारा रिपीट करके पढ़ रहे हैं, कोई छूट रहा है. तो इन माई ओपिनियन यू मार्क टैली फॉर वन नंबर एंड क्रॉस इट आउट. तो कैसे करेंगे? फर्स्ट नंबर इज 140. आई कैन क्रॉस 140 एंड फॉर 140 मेक अ टैली हियर. तो यहां से मुझे समझ में आएगा 140 मेरा हो चुका है. Now the second, again 140, 160, 160 is at the last. After that 139, 139, then 153, 153, again 153, 146, 150, 148, again 150, 152, 146, 154, 150. समझ में आ रहा है आप लोगों को? हर एक नंबर हम क्रॉस कर रहे हैं. 160 को हमने क्रॉस किया और जहां पर 160 है वहां पर हमने लाइन बनाया. देन अगेन 148, 148, तो जो लाइन था उसके बगल में 150, 150. While you are making tally marks, be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4 के बाद 5 इधर नहीं होगा. इट इज अ क्रॉस्ड. हम बताते हैं. देन 148, 153, 138, 152, 150, 150. तो 150 हम यहां पर लाइन नहीं खींचेंगे. 4 ऑलरेडी हो गया है. 5th लाइन शुड बी अ क्रॉस्ड. तो ये 5 का ग्रुप हो गया. 148, 138, 152, 140, 146 एंड लास्ट 148. अगेन 148, 4th के बाद 5. तो जहां ब्लैंक है वहां आप 0 लिखो. नहीं लिखोगे चलेगा. इसको आप लीव करना चाहो, यू कैन लीव इट. So finally we are counting number of tallies. How many marks are there? For 138, 2 tallies are there. For 139, 1, 140, 3. Rest are 0. Again 146, that is 3. 148, that is 5. 150, that is 5. 152, that is 3. 153, that is 3. 154, that is 1. मेरे यहाँ पर स्पेस नहीं था इसलिए मैंने डॉट डॉट कर दिया. 159 नहीं है. 162. जस्ट फॉर प्रिक्वेशन add all the frequency. It should be equal to 28 because the question is height of 28 girls. So just add it. 2 plus 1, 3, 6, 9, 19. 19 plus 3, 22. 22 plus 3, 25. 26, 27, 28. So total is 28. So this table is known as frequency distribution table. जहां जहां खाली है you can fill it by zeros. Now looking at the table we can give answers on some question. If the question is what is the least height, so least height means minimum height. That is, just now I am saying the height starts from 138. So least height is 138 centimeter. How many girls having the least height? What is the frequency of 138? That is 2. So frequency, number of girls, that is 2. Number of girls having the maximum height. Maximum height in the frequency distribution table, that is 160. And number of girls having maximum height, that is 2. So 2 again. Which height is possessed by the maximum number of students? So we see that maximum frequency is 5 here. 2 5s are there. 1 5 for 180 centimeter, other 5 for 150 centimeter. So here there are 2 answers. One is 148 centimeter, other 150 centimeter. So this is frequency distribution table for ungrouped data. Now frequency distribution table for grouped data. This is the question. Weekly savings in rupees of 29 students of class 8 are given. Construct a grouped frequency table with class intervals of equal width such as 30 to 35. So frequency distribution table बनाने के लिए same like previous, you have to draw a table in which 3 columns are there. The heading of the first column depends on the question. तो यहाँ पर क्या है? Weekly savings. So the heading of the first column is savings or weekly savings in rupees. Second column and third column are fixed. Second column is tally marks. Third column is frequency. 30 to 35 एक इंटरवल होगा. So 30 to 35 एक होगा. तो please look what is the less number, what is the minimum number here. So we can see that the minimum number, one number is 27. So अगर एक ग्रुप 30 to 35 है तो हम कहाँ से शुरू कर सकते हैं? 25 to 30 because मुझे 27 को फिट करना है कहीं पर. So next group is 30 to 35, 5 की गैपिंग पे ग्रुप. Then 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50. मैक्सिमम कहाँ पर है? 80, 84, तो 85 तक मुझे जाना है. 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, 75 to 80, last 80 to 85. Now complete the table. So here I am completing the table. Now same thing, for each number we can draw a tally marks. First number is 38. Cross 38. 38 belongs to which group? 35 to 40. Next 42. 42 belongs to which group? 40 to 45. Next 40. Now I have a problem. 40 belongs to two groups. First group is 35 to 40. Second group is 40 to 45. So since there are two 40s, दो 40 है, तो हम 40 को कहाँ लेंगे? Please remember, जहाँ पर minimum value है 40, means 40 lies in between 40 to 45. So 40 के लिए यहाँ पर tally marks. तो ये जो 40 है, दिखने में ये 40 है, मगर ये 35 to 40 इस ग्रुप में क्या नंबर होगा? All the numbers which is more than which is equal or more than 35 or less than 40. मतलब 40 को हम नीचे वाले जहाँ पर लोअर लिमिट है वहीं पर हम कंसिडर करेंगे. Now in this way 35, then 72, 72, 27. तो इस तरह मुझे पूरा कंप्लीट करना है. 57, 62, 59, 80, 80 lies between 80 and 85, 84, again it lies between 80 and 85, 73, 73, 65, 65 यहाँ नहीं इधर करना है, please be cautious. 40, 40 lies between 40 and 45, then 76, 76 in between 75 and 80. So in this way we can complete it. तो कहाँ तक हमने किया था? 76. Okay. Then 40, 38, 60, 58, 54, 54 lies between 50 to 55, 39, 50, 44. Look here, already we have drawn 4 lines. So for 44, we can cross the line. 71, 83, 45, 38, 38 के लिए भी we can cross the line. 80, last 77. Now the frequency, first is 1, second नहीं है 0, then 5, then 5, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 2, 1, 3, 2, 4. So count it: 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 29. So total 29. So in this way you can draw frequency distribution table for grouped data. So that's all for today. Thank you, class.